Welcome to Tiny Science Tutorials. Prepare to dive into the mind-bending world of quantum physics as we explore the captivating phenomenon of quantum tunneling. Get ready to journey through the barriers of classical reality and discover a realm where particles defy the rules we know. Imagine a scenario where a particle faces an insurmountable barrier. In the classical world, it would be trapped forever. But in the quantum realm, something remarkable happens. Quantum tunneling is a phenomenon where particles magically tunnel through barriers, appearing on the other side as if by teleportation. It's as if they borrow energy from the void to traverse obstacles that should be impenetrable. This bizarre behavior isn't just a quirk of nature, it's a fundamental aspect of quantum mechanics. From electrons escaping from atoms to nuclear reactions in stars, quantum tunneling is at the heart of many processes. And it's not just theoretical. Quantum tunneling has real-world applications, from tunnel diodes in electronics to the nuclear fusion reactions that power the stars. As we conclude our voyage through quantum tunneling, we're left with a newfound appreciation for the strange and wondrous nature of the quantum world. Like and subscribe to our channel for more captivating science episodes. Until next time, remember that in the quantum realm, even the mightiest barriers can be crossed, 1 minute at a time.